Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make a homemade DIY Nerf Blowgun. Okay, so what you will need is a sheet of construction paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a roll of tape. What I'm using here is heavy-duty Scotch packing tape, and Nerf darts will be used in the making of it too, so that we know what size we need the barrel to be. So, to get started, we are going to take our pencil and our sheet of construction paper. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rolling it up. We're not going to do it lengthwise, but widthwise. So we're going to take it widthwise and put the pencil down at the bottom. Now what we're going to do here is we are going to start rolling it up. Make sure it's all even. You need it to be consistent. So both sides of the barrel and on one side should be all the same diameter. So just kind of make sure it all gets tucked under the pencil equally. I've got it rolled up, take the pencil out. I accidentally let it go a little too much and the bullet just falls right through, and it's not good. So what you can do is stick your finger in and you see the inside paper, so the paper's going this way, right? Well, you're going to take it and you're going to go the opposite. So you see what I'm saying? The paper was wrapped this way, so I'm going to stick my finger in and turn it the opposite way. And that will make it a little smaller. And it should fit a little better. But make it to the right diameter, and you can do that by sticking, okay. Just keep tightening it to where you can stick a bullet in. Okay, see, and it can't fall out, but it still goes in pretty easily. Then we're going to cut off a square of tape here. Okay, stick it in. Okay, just like that. Doesn't fall through, but it's still pretty easy to put it. So, you see, I've just secured the end. Now we're going to secure the other end. We're going to stick this bullet in here and pull it out. And I want you to see which side is tighter. You want to take the looser side now, and then we're going to take a little bit of tape. So this is going to keep the inside and outer layers together, and it's also going to make the end a little bit spit proof. You see, for the most part, it's fully covered, and it's just down in there. It's like about this far deep in there. Okay, that's pretty good.